So our officers took cover, now I can respond to that shooting. Eventually, 2 suspects were neutralized. We are yet to confirm their identity. Uzuri, we have one suspect ambaye bado atatusaidia kutambua wale wengine. Katika ile investigation yetu ile preliminary, tumeangalia ya kwamba hii ni kama a syndicate ambaye they are operating towards maneno ya radicalization, maneno ya terrorism.
And we want to thank members of the public who have been assisting us in this operation by sharing information. That information was very valuable and it has assisted us to secure. Also, we have recovered the 2 firearms which were taken from the police officers.